Welcome to Recipes for You. In today's video, we're sharing the ultimate magic oil for hair growth. A natural blend that nourishes your scalp, strengthens your strands, and promotes healthy, luscious locks. Stay tuned for this easy, DIY recipe that your hair will absolutely love. First recipe: quickly thicken your hair using natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. You'll need 8 to 10 bay leaves. These are great for promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. Crush them with your hands to release their natural oils, enhancing their effectiveness. Put the crushed bay leaves in a jar, preparing them for the next steps. Now, add 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves are known for their rich antioxidants and scalp-stimulating properties. Grind them using an electric grinder to ensure they're fine and easily absorbed in the oil. Add the ground cloves to the jar along with the bay leaves, creating a powerful mixture for your hair. Next, you'll need 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Rosemary improves circulation and promotes hair growth. Pour in 150 milliliters of olive oil, which serves as a nourishing base, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Place a small piece of cloth at the bottom of a pot to protect the jar from direct heat. Put the jar into the pot, then fill the pot with water, ensuring the jar is partially submerged. Boil the water over low heat for 30 minutes. This process helps infuse the oil with all the natural goodness from the ingredients. After boiling, let the oil cool down before handling the jar. Be patient to avoid burns. Once cooled, filter the oil through a sieve to remove the solid ingredients, leaving you with a smooth, potent oil. Apply the oil generously to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots for maximum benefit. Leave the oil on your hair for 30 minutes to allow it to deeply nourish your scalp and hair. After the treatment, wash your hair as usual using your favorite shampoo. You'll feel the difference. For best results, apply this oil twice a week. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. Store the remaining oil in a cool, dark place, where it will keep for up to 6 months, ready for your next use. Our second recipe involves banana peels, a fantastic, often overlooked ingredient for restoring protein levels in your skin. Before we dive into it, tell us in the comments from which country you're watching. We love hearing from our global community. Banana peel is not just trash, it's a treasure. It helps restore optimal protein levels in your skin, making it glow. Cut the banana peel into small slices, making it easier to blend and extract the nutrients. Place the slices into a bowl, preparing them for the next step of this skin rejuvenating recipe. Add 100 milliliters of water to the banana peels. This helps to create a smooth paste when boiled. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes, softening the peels and releasing their beneficial properties. Then grind the boiled peels in an electric grinder to create a smooth, nutrient-rich paste. Strain the paste through a strainer or cloth to remove any large pieces, leaving you with a smooth texture. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to the mixture. This thickens the paste, making it easier to apply to your skin. Boil the mixture for 3 minutes, constantly stirring until you get a creamy consistency. Leave the mixture to cool before the next step to ensure it's safe to apply to your skin. Add half a tablespoon of shea butter for its moisturizing properties, enhancing the skin's softness. Drop in a few drops of vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant that protects and rejuvenates your skin. Squeeze in a tablespoon of lemon juice, which helps brighten the skin and fight off dullness. Finally, add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial and skin-soothing properties. Mix all the ingredients well, creating a homogeneous blend that's ready to pamper your skin. Apply the mask to your face, neck, chest area, and hands, ensuring all areas benefit from its nutrients. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes. This allows your skin to absorb all the beneficial ingredients fully. Then rinse the mask off with a gentle cleanser, leaving your skin refreshed and glowing. Use this mask twice a week to maintain your skin's hydration and natural glow. Recipe 3. Let's create another magical skin rejuvenation mask, this time using half a banana. Mash the banana with a fork until it's a smooth puree, forming the base of this rejuvenating mask. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice to the mashed banana. Lemon juice is perfect for brightening and clarifying the skin. Add a tablespoon of milk to provide hydration and nourish your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Mix in a tablespoon of rice flour, which gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells and impurities. Include 5 drops of tea tree oil for its anti-inflammatory and soothing effects, perfect for acne-prone skin. Blend all the ingredients thoroughly to create a creamy, luxurious mask. Apply the mask to your face, neck, and hands, spreading it evenly for maximum coverage. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes, giving the natural ingredients time to work their magic. Then wash your skin with a cleanser, revealing refreshed, rejuvenated skin underneath. Use this mask twice a week to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Finally, apply a moisturizer to your face to lock in the hydration from the mask, ensuring long-lasting softness. You can store the remaining mixture in the fridge for up to 3 days, ready for your next skincare session. Recipe 4, let's dive into another fantastic mask, starting with a whole banana sliced into small pieces. Mash the banana well using a fork, creating a smooth base rich in nutrients for your skin. Bananas help restore the ideal protein levels in the skin, making it look firm and radiant. Add a tablespoon of coconut oil for deep moisture and nourishment. Include a tablespoon of honey, which has natural antibacterial properties and boosts skin moisture. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel for its cooling and soothing effect on the skin. Mix all the ingredients well to create a smooth, luscious mask ready to rejuvenate your skin. Apply the mask to your hands once a day to keep them soft and well nourished. Use aloe vera gel for moisturizing. You can keep the mixture in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and effectiveness. Recipe 5, we're using banana peel again, but this time for a moisturizing oil. Cut the banana peel into small slices, making them easier to blend into the oil. Add 100 milliliters of olive oil, which will serve as a nourishing carrier for the banana peel's nutrients. Blend the banana peel and olive oil mixture in an electric blender until smooth. Filter the mixture using a sieve to remove the larger pieces, leaving behind a smooth oil. Pour a tablespoon of the filtered mixture into a bowl as the base for your skin cream. Add a tablespoon of cream for added hydration and skin nourishment. Include a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to soothe and cool the skin. Add 4 drops of vitamin E oil for its anti-aging properties and ability to protect the skin. Mix all the ingredients well to create a smooth, creamy skin treatment. Store the cream in a dark, cool place to maintain its effectiveness over time. Apply the cream daily to your skin for a soft, hydrated, and glowing complexion. Apply the remaining banana oil to your hair 2 to 3 times a week and store the oil in a dark place. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and found them useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY recipes. See you next time on Recipes for You, your go-to channel for natural beauty and skincare solutions.